My AP biology project is on the grizzly bear. Ursus arctos horribilis, more commonly referred to as the grizzly bear, once lived throughout the entirety of the western US, parts of Mexico, and Canada. However, nowadays, the grizzly bear's populations have been reduced to the farthest reaches of northwest US and northwestern Canada, as well as all of Alaska. Next, I will be discussing the ecology of the grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are apex predators and have a wide variety of food sources. These food sources range from large mammals like deer, to bugs, and even to roots and tubers. Grizzly bears are a type 1 survivorship species. This means that they have many cubs over the course of their lifetime. Their litters are usually very small and include 1 or 2 cubs at a time. Many bears die off at a young age due to a hostile environment or to altercations with larger adult grizzly bears. However, those bears who survive past maturity usually live to around 25 to 30 years old in the wild. Grizzly bears are a subspecies of the more common brown bear and are specific to North America. Grizzly bears have developed 2 distinct features over the existence of their species. Grizzlies have long, hardened claws for digging in thick soil in order to reach different food sources, such as tubers or roots. They also, as many other bears have, developed a kind of hibernation that they go into, called torpor. This lowers the bear's body temperature, which allows them to utilize less energy, while still allowing the bears to be awakened if danger arises during their sleep. Conservation efforts for the grizzly bear. Currently, grizzly bears are an endangered species and live prominently in Alaska, but truly endangered populations are located in Washington, Wyoming, and Montana. In Yellowstone National Park, in Wyoming and Montana, the strategy for conservation involves a large piece of land where grizzlies can reside that will remain without interference from humans. Another strategy has been stated to decrease housing and private land around grizzly bear populations in order to decrease the threat towards humans, which is often retaliated in hunting down bears. I have also formulated my own conservation suggestions for the grizzly bears. My suggestion would be to decrease the hunting of the terrestrial and aquatic creatures that fall below the grizzly in the food chain. This allows for a greater amount of food sources for the bears and allows their habitat to house a much higher population of grizzlies. This also allows many of the other animals to reproduce more quickly and gain them back a foothold in their ecosystem.